to record, I'm actually re-recording for you Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot Practice Routine number 5. This was taught within the online class on the 3rd of October 22, but when I uploaded this for the short summary routines, I had some problems with the audio and I didn't realise, and so I've had to re-record quite a few routines from October, November time. So, apologies for the delay, but let's get straight into it. I started on the right hand side of my space. On my right foot, I did a forwards feather step. Slow, quick, quick. I then came back, slow, quick, quick. Normally in the ballroom you would extend that further, but not much space, so the steps are shorter. I wasn't fully closing the feet, but slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, not too far. I then did a spin turn. I did 2 slows and a quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. I'm then going to go into a forwards hesitation and slide. Slow, slow, slow. I was actually going to close and put the weight on it. Remember, this isn't exactly the same as we dance with a partner. This is solo work online for fun and just practicing on our own. So, artistic license here. Go back for a heel turn. Slow, quick, quick. And then into that leg with a bit of a lunge position. Okay? And I'm going to really sink into it on a slow. And then swivel on the next slow. And then I'm going to go forwards and close. Okay? Last bit. Finish the close. I'm going to go back, cross, turn, brush, exit. Okay? Let's look at that from the swivelly bit, because that's the hardest. I'm going in for a slow. I'm going to swivel for a slow. I'm then going to go forwards and close. I'm then going to go back, cross, pivot, brush, open. Okay? Let's look at the timing for the whole thing. In fact, I'm going to start over here. Let's look at the timing. So we had slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, and quick. There we go. Sorry, as I was saying, I've had to go back and re-record them, so I'm just working from my notes here. Hope that's okay for you. That was practice routine number 5, solo slow foxtrot improvers practice routine number 5, originally taught on the 3rd of October 22. I will hopefully see you again soon in another video. Bye-bye.